Yo, what is going on, car people of this world? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing one of, well yeah, I would say it's probably the first modification that we're getting done on our LS460. Up until this point we've just got the car running, we're starting to fix the paint, we're doing everything to get the car back to its original state, which is awesome. But first, we gotta spice things up a little bit. We ended last video by cleaning the entire car, so she is looking as fresh as she can. Oh, check that guy out. Dang. This car is so amazing. It really never ceases to impress me, especially from, you know, obviously coming off of the LS460. It's just so it's so luxurious. It is what it's supposed to be, and I absolutely love that, and I really don't want to change that. It's definitely a lot of fun what I did with the LS460, and I don't regret it at all. But man, this is just really nice. There's something just so comfortable about being comfortable. I don't know how else to explain it. We still have quite the Christmas tree here on our front dash. We are almost out of gas and we're almost at 213,000 miles, or about halfway through this 1,000. The telescopic steering wheel is still not working, and we still have some sort of front left wheel assembly problem. So needless to say, this car still has quite a bit of work that needs to be done, but you know, that's what keeps it fun, you know? Keep the project rolling. Here it is, last time you will see the car in this state. So actually I'm not too sure how long it's gonna be, but that's right, we're getting it tinted. Now it's not gonna be the same thing as the LS460. It's gonna be something, it's gonna be pretty sweet. I'm really excited for it, and well, that's about all I'll say. So yeah, so long for now. LS430. So while we wait for the car to be finished at the tint shop, I figured might as well have some fun. We're gonna be taking the LS460 with Blaze this morning up to a car show at the American Dream Mall. So this should be pretty fun. They usually have some good shows over at the Cars and Cafe, I believe, is hosting this event. So I'm very excited for that. But in the meantime, Blaze, you wanna give this thing a start?
Absolutely, brother.
It's hard for me, like I never like get to stand behind the car to hear the cold start, so this is always exciting for me. You feel it in your chest, dude. Oh, that's amazing. Sounds so good. We're getting close. We can see the Ferris wheel of the American Dream Mall just there in the distance. I think we're like 10 minutes out. Last time that this car show event organizer hosted a show at the American Dream Mall, it was probably the worst car show I've been to in my life. It was so bad. So I'm really hoping that today will be different. We'll find out soon. LS made it up, little to no damage. Here we are. I guess we got a little bit of bird poop on the front, but dang, so much fun, man. I miss this car. It's just, I don't know, I miss it. It's mine, but I miss it, you know, whatever. Anyway, take a look at these tints. This is all 5% all around, except for the front windshield. The front windshield is sitting at 35%, I think. I actually don't remember what film we have on there. I'm not gonna disclose what we're doing to the LS430, but it's gonna be so sick. It is gonna be so sick. So let's go find this car show, and I need my sunglasses first. Well, this is a first, the 992 GT3 RS. That wing is insane. This thing is absolutely insane. I mean, you take the GT3, the 991 GT3, and it's crazy. But this is just a complete another level. I've never seen this thing in person before. You get the double-decker wing, the carbon on top of the regular wing. I mean, just how wide it is, all of the different inlets and outlets, little fins on the roof. And this thing is absolutely nuts. Honestly, does it get any better than that picture right there. This is insane. The RSR, is this a GT2? I really don't even know, but this is insane. I mean, you got the air filter literally in the back of the car, enormous wing, the BBS wheels, and the completely stripped out race interior. So cool. Everybody else seems to kind of be clearing out a little bit, so I think we'll probably be headed out of here in a little bit. Well, that was a fun little interval for waiting for the LS430 to be completed on its tint. You guys are not gonna have to wait any time to see what the car looks like, but I have to wait probably close to a week because it's special order, so. Tried to mess up the shoes to get in the car. It's special order, so it has to come in. Probably gonna be waiting about a week. But yeah, for you guys, you'll be there right now. Boys, I just got the call that the LS430 is done. I was out participating in a golf tournament that my landscape company is sponsoring, and I got the call that she's done, and I am so excited to see this car. It's gonna be so sick seeing both the 430 and the 460 next to one another. We're like 3 minutes down the street. We got Seth, good friend from down in Florida. Oh, 460 just passed right by there. Yeah, he's gonna help us take the car back to the house because we obviously need 2 cars. We got a rolling convoy with this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen pictures or anything, so we're gonna be seeing it together for the first time. So about 2 minutes and we'll be there, so hang tight. Alrighty boys, we are rolling in. Oh my gosh, what the heck?
You can see that from a mile.
That is so bright. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Dude, I actually am like, that's a lot brighter than I thought it would be.
That's a lot, very bright. You cannot see through that.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's because the tint is so,
what
so dark on the inside.
Okay, this is my first time seeing it. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what I think about it. What do you think about it?
I definitely think it's different.
It is so different. That is so bright. It's really bright.
I think it should be a little bit lower.
I think it should be lower too.
I think it's just because you have the double tint and like it's so dark on the inside that that's gonna show so much brighter. No?
I agree. All right, boys. Here we are. We're gonna start with the back of the cars. So there's the 430. I mean, come on. The back looks absolutely incredible with the double black. Now here's where I actually may have made a mistake. Tell me what you guys think. Bam. The Mercedes blue mirror tint. I think it's a little too bright. I mean, that's pure reflection.
That looks like this guy right
there. Dude. I don't know, man. I may have gone a little too hard there. Wow. All right, let me run back to the lockbox and we can take a look inside. It's here now. I've already paid for it. I don't know what to say because I really was not expecting it to be this dark. And I'm gonna talk to the company who tinted it. They're absolutely incredible. I have dealt with these guys so many times. They knock it out of the park every single time. So I'm not concerned about what's gonna happen, but I was sent a picture of what it should look like, and it doesn't really look like that. It's a lot less bright. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. But look, I mean, this is really a problem. Look. There you go, now you can finally see it, like, and that's legit. Like, you cannot see in there. Let's hop inside real quick. Seth, you wanna roll up the windows?
Yep.
It also has like a really weird blue inside. I don't know if,
cool.
It is cool, but I don't know if I really like it. Here, shut the door. It is so dark in here, dude. I feel like we're in a fish tank. Don't you? I mean, it went from fishbowl to fishbowl.
Yeah.
I mean,
clear fishbowl.
this is crazy. So I'm just a little concerned. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I just think that that's a little bit too blue. So I'm gonna have Seth open up the sunroof. So we have direct light shining in, and it made no difference. See a little bit from the sun. Oh my gosh. This is not good. This is not good. Oh my goodness. All right, I need you guys to tell me what you think about the new tint on the 430. I mean, oh dude, it looks cool, but I don't know. I'm gonna put some pictures up on screen of what it should look like, and tell me if you think that that is what it should look like as opposed to this, because it almost just looks like a frosted windshield. That's insane. All right, let's hop on the road. I'm not joking when I say I actually don't know what I think, and I feel like I actually made a detrimental mistake. Oh my gosh, the camera's not focusing. It looks crazy. I mean, it looks absolutely insane. I don't really like it. I'm not gonna lie. It needs to be less, and like quite a bit less. Wow, that looks crazy. Oh my goodness. That looks so cool on the road. Oh my gosh, dude. Insane. All right, so I think we're gonna end it here. Like I said, I have to go talk to the tint shop about this, because this is not how I expected it to come out. I love the 5% on the side. It looks absolutely incredible next to the 460 as well. I almost wish I would have just done 5 all around at this point, but had to try something new, and you know what, you live and you learn. So yeah, that's the new tint. Stay tuned for what happens. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with what goes on regarding the tint shop and if they can help us out or not. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know what you guys think about the tint. Peace.